Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up early.
Did you wake early today?
Yes, I woke early.
Have you brushed your teeth?
Yes, I have brushed.
Are you feeling energetic now?
I am feeling energetic.
Will you exercise this morning?
Yes, I will exercise.
Were you stretching yesterday morning?
Yes, I was stretching.
Had you eaten before jogging?
Yes, I had it in.
Do you drink coffee daily?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Are you drinking tea today?
No, I am drinking tea.
Have you been sleeping well?
Yes, I have been sleeping.
Will you be working later?
Yes, I will be working.
Did you take a shower?
Yes, I took shower.
Are you taking vitamins now?
Yes, I am taking vitamins.
Had you prepared breakfast earlier?
Yes, I had prepared breakfast.
Do you read news daily?
Yes, I read news.
Are you checking messages now?
Yes, I am checking messages.
Will you call your friend?
Yes, I will call.
Have you finished your workout?
Yes, I have finished.
Were you running outside earlier?
Yes, I was running.
Do you meditate every morning?
Yes, I meditate daily.
Are you planning breakfast already?
Yes, I am planning breakfast.
Had you set your alarm?
Yes, I had set alarm.
Have you been exercising regularly?
Yes, I have been exercising.
Will you be leaving soon?
Yes, I will be leaving.
Did you pack lunch yesterday?
Yes, I packed lunch.
Are you cooking eggs now?
Yes, I am cooking eggs.
Have you ever skipped breakfast?
No, I have never skipped.
Will you start work early?
Yes, I will start early.
Were you listening to music?
Yes, I was listening.
Do you stretch daily?
Yes, I stretch daily.
Have you taken vitamins yet?
Yes, I have taken vitamins.
Are you feeling tired now?
No, I am not tired.
Will you meet colleagues later?
Yes, I will meet colleagues.
Had you checked weather forecast?
Yes, I had checked forecast.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, I walk daily.
Are you wearing sports clothes?
Yes, I am wearing sports clothes.
Have you cleaned your room?
Yes, I have cleaned room.
Will you buy groceries later?
Yes, I will buy groceries.
Were you preparing coffee earlier?
Yes, I was preparing coffee.
Do you write a journal?
Yes, I write journal.
Are you writing today?
Yes, I am writing today.
Have you been planning tasks?
Yes, I have been planning.
Will you attend meetings today?
Yes, I will attend meetings.
Did you iron clothes yesterday?
Yes, I ironed clothes.
Are you checking emails now?
Yes, I am checking emails.
Have you replied already?
Yes, I have replied.
Will you be traveling tomorrow?
Yes, I will be traveling.
Were you packing last night?
Yes, I was packing.
Do you shower quickly?
Yes, I shower quickly.
Are you brushing hair now?
Yes, I am brushing hair.
Have you chosen outfit yet?
Yes, I have chosen outfit.
Will you drive today?
Yes, I will drive.
Had you locked doors?
Yes, I had locked doors.
Do you feed your pet?
Yes, I feed pet.
Are you feeding now?
Yes, I am feeding.
Have you watered plants?
Yes, I have watered plants.
Will you water later?
Yes, I will water later.
Were you cleaning kitchen earlier?
Yes, I was cleaning kitchen.
Do you enjoy mornings?
Yes, I enjoy mornings.
Are you smiling now?
Yes, I am smiling.
Have you greeted neighbors?
Yes, I have greeted neighbors.
Will you be studying tonight?
Yes, I will be studying.
Did you oversleep yesterday?
Yes, I overslept yesterday.
Are you hurrying today?
Yes, I am hurrying.
Have you been improving habits?
Yes, I have been improving.
Will you change routine?
Yes, I will change routine.
Had you planned this schedule?
Yes, I had planned schedule.
Do you check calendar daily?
Yes, I check calendar.
Have you set priorities?
Yes, I have set priorities.
Will you accomplish everything?
Yes, I will accomplish everything.
Were you feeling stressed?
Yes, I was feeling stressed.
Do you practice gratitude?
Yes, I practice gratitude.
Are you breathing deeply now?
Yes, I am breathing deeply.
Have you been meditating lately?
Yes, I have been meditating.
Will you cook tomorrow?
Yes, I will cook tomorrow.
Did you call family earlier?
Yes, I called family.
Are you sending texts now?
Yes, I am sending texts.
Have you prepared coffee?
Yes, I have prepared coffee.
Will you finish soon?
Yes, I will finish soon.
Had you washed dishes?
Yes, I had washed dishes.
Do you tidy bed daily?
Yes, I tidy bed.
Are you making bed now?
Yes, I am making bed.
Have you exercised enough?
Yes, I have exercised enough.
Will you rest later?
Yes, I will rest later.
Were you jogging yesterday?
Yes, I was jogging.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I like mornings.
Are you staying positive?
Yes, I am staying positive.
Have you been consistent?
Yes, I have been consistent.
Will you improve tomorrow?
Yes, I will improve tomorrow.
Did you stretch earlier?
Yes, I stretched earlier.
Are you tracking progress?
Yes, I am tracking progress.
Have you felt motivated?
Yes, I have felt motivated.
Will you inspire others?
Yes, I will inspire others.
Had you organized desk?
Yes, I had organized desk.
Do you start early?
Yes, I start early.
Are you finishing breakfast?
Yes, I am finishing breakfast.
Have you enjoyed morning?
Yes, I have enjoyed morning.
Will you repeat routine?
Yes, I will repeat routine.
Were you satisfied yesterday?
Yes, I was satisfied.
Do you feel ready?
Yes, I feel ready.
Are you heading out?
Yes, I am heading out.
Have you locked car?
Yes, I have locked car.
Will you text later?
Yes, I will text later.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, I enjoyed today.